Above your head, an invisible shield holds back the storm of the sun. And on day one, that shield is gone.
For 60 years, an invisible shield kept every satellite alive and every heartbeat regular. What happens when it disappears?
The Van Allen belts are two rings of charged particles trapped in Earth's magnetic field. They've caught cosmic radiation for 4.5 billion years, and they are the reason your body has ever survived a single sunrise. The first sign is beautiful. Aurora, normally trapped near the poles, blooms across the sky over Miami, Rio and Nairobi in colors those cities have never seen. But beauty in the wrong place is a warning. At cruising altitude, cosmic ray exposure climbs to levels never recorded on a passenger flight. Every transatlantic aircraft begins an emergency descent. Geiger counters on flight decks tick past red. On the International Space Station, 6 astronauts shelter in the most heavily shielded module. Their radiation badges are already black. On the ground, the grid begins to cook. Transformers flare and soften across 3 continents. Toronto goes dark, then London, then Manhattan. Not because the power failed, but because the wires themselves became antennas for a storm that had nowhere else to go. Every hospital with radiation-sensitive equipment moves its patients. MRI machines shut down, cancer treatment halts mid-cycle. And every military convoy in the Northern Hemisphere loses GPS at the same second. By hour 24, the belts begin to reform. The aurora fades from the equator, but 3/4 of the satellite fleet is dead in orbit. And the world below is still learning what a modern life looks like without a magnetic field to lean on.
Now, this isn't a forecast, it's a thought experiment. But the shield above your head is real. Every day of your life has been quietly protected by a piece of physics you'll never see. Losing it, even for one day, is losing what makes modern life possible. The worlds between are not as far as you think. And the key has always been with us.